Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off profile views on TikTok. Disabling profile views helps protect your privacy so that others cannot see when you've viewed their profile. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've signed into the account, click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal line menu. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. On the next page, tap on Privacy and scroll all the way down and click on Viewers. Now, if you want to turn off profile views, toggle off the button right next to Viewer History. Once you turn the option off, you will not be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. You can now get back to the main setting page and you have successfully turned off profile views on TikTok. This will keep your activity private. If the video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.